Hey guys, angazi noma nayibona lento engiyibonayo, but it looks like uSifiso is fighting Zethu from his grave. Ingoba kaZethu ecabanga uzoyiqoka emshadweni angeke sakubona lokho because sevele yathelwa upende ibhadi lento. Now I'm not sure. She's gonna have to choose and pick up a new dress, or I can't say lo mshado lo because I don't see that wedding happening. I'm even thinking nakulo mshado lo something bad is gonna happen. Remember, what we were told by Sangoma uSifiso is not resting in peace. So we don't know what he's going to do since he's not resting in peace. And I want to talk about that and more here in this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down it so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let us quickly get into it. As even now if bengade nguSifiso bengeke ngize ngimiye kuze thwashade nje kalula kanjalo, more especially with someone who stepped me to death. Never bengizopoka ngenkani. So I'm really thinking, I know that some of you guys nicabanga lento le exactly as I am thinking about it. So look, nyangu Zethu phela uyahamba emncabeni kaSifiso uthi uyokhala lapha uSifiso indoda yakhe waseningathangani, then the next day usiyaqhamuka futhi same Zethu usethi ufuna ukushada with the exact same guy who killed Sifiso. No, that's impossible. I know that Shobana killed Sifiso by mistake, but for the fact that Zethu is marrying her a week after Sifiso was buried, kusiyamdelela. So I was going to fight that to the core. I'm really glad that Sifiso was fighting as well. So what happened recently is that Tungubaga Zethu abecabanga uzoyiqoka emshadweni ivela thela upende nje yesituku to win. And I'm thinking deep down inside me ukuthi this is not the first incident that is going to hinder this wedding from happening. I think there's a lot that is still coming for both uZethu nalo mfana lo uShobana. I think that this wedding is going to be hell. I think that even if they get married, angeke baze bawenjoy lo mshado lo wabo. Angeke like baze baphile that good couple because of what they did to Sifiso. And I'm enjoying each and everything. You know, I know that many people have said that they're going to stop watching since Sifiso is gone. But let me tell you right now, guys, if you are one of those, you need to go back to watching the show because it's really going down recently. And I'm enjoying each and every scene of it. So those who are still watching, comment down in the comment section about this wedding of Shobana knows it. Do you think that this wedding is really going to happen? Comment down in the comment section, share thoughts, share opinions about this, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the answer. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.